Okay guys, don't mind my hair, I'm going to do it next. To start out for my primer, I'm going to take Smashbox Even Skin Tone Primer. I either use this or the Derma Blend Insta Grip Jelly Primer. Love this especially for in the summer. This tutorial isn't going to be like a no makeup look. It's more focused on my everyday go-to favorite products that I use. But it's more so when I have something to do, so I need to get semi-ready, but not like a I don't have nothing to do, like a no makeup look, if that makes sense. Okay, so foundation, I either switch from the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation or the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This, one of my favorites overall, over everything. One of my favorites, but it is super full coverage, so sometimes I do mix the two. Today I'm just going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I'm pretty sure if you watch my videos you know that I'm a creature of habit. I use the same things a lot when I like it. For concealer, I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape. First, I like to take the Huda Beauty Fair Tantour Contour Bronzer to bronze this big forehead a little bit. It's been loved. I love this thing. I got used to this Tarte brush. I know you've seen it in every video. So I just dab it into here a little bit. Whoa, that's too much. But let me just blend it out. It blends out really, really good, which is why I really love this product. Now I'm going to add my concealer. I'm also going to put a little bit on my eyelid to kind of prime it. And then I'm just going to use the other side of the Tarte brush. I need to get another one of these brushes because I am just really used to using it now. Okay, and to set my under eyes, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm not baking, I'm kind of just applying a lot and then tapping it in. After I put it under my eyes, I'm also going to set my eyelids like with that because it's also going to be my base or my eyelids because I'm not adding any shadow. Well, I'm going to put something on my eyelids, just not shadow. After that, what I do is I take this Benefit Bronze Squad cheek palette. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to mix Hoola and what is it? It's regular Hoola and like the caramel Hoola. I'm just going to mix those two colors and kind of just put it into my crease. Just to give me a little bit of definition. So I kind of try to use the least products as possible. So I'm going to take this Sigma, I've been using this ever since I got it, F53 airbrush, and I use this for bronzer and blush. So I'm going to take a little bit of Hoola bronzer, bronze up this big forehead of mine. It is a little dark for me, so I try not to use too much, especially the caramel color in there. I really love the color because it's got like warmth to it, but it's a little too dark for me. So I'm also going to use Hoola to contour my nose. So I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go in with the blush, which is, I can't talk today, which is Coralista. I also have the color Gold Rush in the palette too, but I always use Coralista. And then I really love the highlighter from this palette. It is the color Cookie. I believe they do sell it on its own now. It is super pigmented, so I'm not going to go in too hard with this. I really don't. I barely tap my brush in there, but I am going to put it. Well, I am going to put it on my nose. Even take that same color Cookie and add it to the inner corner. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of eyeliner. I'm using the Huda Beauty one. And I'm not going to do a full line. I'm just going to do it right above my lash line. Not thick either. You got to be careful with this because you need to let it dry before you move or do anything because, woo, it is hard to get off. And I think I'm already running out of this one. Okay, I'm going to put mascara and lashes, and the ones that I think I'm going to use lately are the Lash Bar LA in Sophia. And then for my lips, I pretty much use the same lipstick all the time, but my lip liner does change. But today I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in 600. Okay, and then I always pair it with Time Los Angeles Macchiato. Really, really love this color. I think I went through a full one, and I think I have a half of another one, and then this one. I didn't even show you up close, huh? So I posted a picture on Instagram maybe, I don't know, a couple days ago, and I did get questions on how I did it. Did I use the waver? How did I get it so thick looking? So I did answer your questions, but I figured I'll just put it on here too. So first off, I didn't use a waver. So what I used is this Vodana curling iron. This is the 36mm size. I didn't bring my thing to part it, so I'm gonna have to just like use my nail. So the one I got is in pink. They have a bunch of different colors. They have black, blue, baby blue, a bunch of different colors. And they also have different sizes as well. It's a curling iron with a clamp, which I've been using a lot more recently. But I do like it because it has this little gap right here. I don't know if you've ever used a regular curling iron. Your hair tends to get stuck in between as you like curling or whatever. This has a little gap right here so your hair doesn't get stuck or tug. It is a ceramic barrel, and it does have a swivel cord, which makes it extremely easy for what I'm about to do. And this one also has an adjustable temperature too, so it's not just on and off. Since I don't have a waver, I'm not going to curl it. I just kind of want it like bumpy and wavy. So first I'm going to go the normal way with the clamp on top. And I'm just going to set it down right there and leave it for a couple of seconds so it gets that kind of like mark. See, it's already like, it's super fast and it gets hot really fast. And then I'm going to twirl. This is where this like little swivel cord comes into play, because I'm going to have it like this, and then I'm just going to twirl it upside down where the clamp is on bottom, and I'm just going to put it right underneath and leave it for a couple of seconds until it gets that like indent. And you see, I don't know if you can see that it has that indent. And then I'm going to basically do the same thing. I'm going to turn the clamp around, give it that little bump. It only takes a couple of seconds. And then I'm going to turn it around and give it that little indent. So you kind of see it's just wavy. And it's really easy with the clamp, and I'm just basically turning my hand like that, back and forth like that. So it makes it really easy with this cord and the clamp. My hair tends to stay really well, but if not, you can add some hairspray now just to kind of like lock it in. I'll probably speed this up, but I usually start from the bottom. I just thought it would be kind of easier and faster to show you from the top. And my hair is super long. My hair grows so fast, and I just cut it like 3 inches off, and it's still all the way down to my back. So this is gonna take a minute. This size is also really good for loose waves. Really not gonna look that great today because my hair is kind of just out of the shower, frizzy crazy. I didn't really blow dry it. So okay, so after I did all of that, I kind of just took a little bit from the top, and I put one of these tiny little rubber bands. They're my daughter's, just to kind of keep it out of my face. I don't know how my daughter lets me put these on her. They hurt. Like little rubber bands. I'm gonna just tighten it. That looks kind of funny right now. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Just kind of doing it really fast right now. They look a little weird today. But then I just kind of brush it out like that. And you can see it's already full, like it's already really full. You don't really need to do a lot, but you can put some texture spray if you want it a little bit fuller. I actually don't need it because it's pretty full already. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hairspray. And then that's it. You look like a little baby lion. Easy if you don't have an actual waiver. I will link this in the description box where I got it. And thank you guys for watching.